This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to read some melodies together that are written in the key of F major, which is what we're focusing on right now in the lesson series. Of course, we'll be reading in first position or open position. So that index finger will play the notes in the first fret, middle in the second, ring in the third, and pinky in the fourth. And then we've got the open strings that happen as well. So it's going to be fun. And when we're playing these melodies, we're going to be jamming with the band. So we've got the band track to jam right along with as we play them. So it's going to be super fun. In the last video, I introduced the key of F major and we learned the F major scale. So if you haven't seen that video, that's a great one to work through as that helps prepare for playing in this one. But we're going to go ahead and play these melodies. This video accompanies lesson 13 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're starting on page 83. We're going to be on pages 83 and 84. We're going to play songs 7, 8, 9, and 10. Each one of these is going to happen at two different tempos. First a slower tempo, and then a faster tempo, and you know the drill. If you can't keep up with the track and playing right along with me, then just pause, work out those difficult spots, and then try jamming right along with us again. That helps you develop your technique the fastest. So we'll go through each one of these, first at that slower tempo, then at that faster tempo. It's going to be fun. Let's do it. All right, I hope you are having so much fun with this. I sure enjoy reading melodies on the guitar. So much fun. In the next video, we're going to read the other 4 melodies. We're going to work on those other 4 melodies that are part of Lesson 13 with the note reading book. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.